Imagine waking up tomorrow. You open your crypto wallet, and your Bitcoin balance is zero. Not because you sold it, not because the price crashed, but because it was taken, gone, vanished. Like it never existed. And then you hear the news. A mysterious breach. Thousands of wallets drained, billions gone. And suddenly, everyone is asking the same question. Is this the end of Bitcoin? Sounds like a movie, right? But it's not fiction. It's a very real possibility. And it could happen faster than you think. Part 1. Bitcoin's illusion of safety. Bitcoin is often called unbreakable. The blockchain is immutable, the network is decentralized, and your private key is, well, private, right? But here's what most people don't realize. Bitcoin isn't invincible. In fact, the moment you send Bitcoin, your public key becomes visible on the blockchain. And if someone or something could reverse engineer that, your funds are at risk. This isn't just theory. This is math. And math can be broken with enough power. So what kind of power are we talking about? Part 2. The rise of quantum threats. Enter quantum computing. Not your laptop, not your gaming PC. We're talking about machines that don't compute in ones and zeros. They calculate everything at once. Quantum computers operate on qubits, which can represent multiple states at the same time, meaning they can run millions of calculations in parallel. This changes the game. Right now, Bitcoin's security relies on something called ECDSA, an encryption method that even supercomputers would take billions of years to crack. But a quantum computer running Shor's algorithm could break that same encryption in minutes. Let that sink in. One machine, one algorithm, and your Bitcoin is gone. Part 3. What if it happens overnight? Let's say tomorrow morning, a nation like China or a black-budget military lab announces nothing. Instead, they start draining dormant wallets, old Bitcoin addresses, forgotten fortunes, no trace, no alarm. Just a slow, silent heist at the quantum level. And then someone notices, and panic spreads. Everyone rushes to move their coins. Exchanges freeze withdrawals. The price collapses. The trust, gone. Because once Bitcoin's code is cracked, the foundation is broken. And in this space, trust is everything. Part 4. How close are we? You're probably asking, is quantum computing really that close? Let's talk facts. In 2019, Google achieved quantum supremacy, solving a problem that classical computers couldn't. IBM, Amazon, and China are pouring billions into quantum research. And military labs? They don't exactly publish roadmaps. Experts estimate that within the next 10 to 20 years, we could see a working quantum computer powerful enough to break Bitcoin's encryption. But what if it happens faster? What if it already has? Now, before you panic, no, Bitcoin is not doomed, but the window to act is closing. Here's what you should. Use hardware wallets. Keep your private keys offline. Avoid address reuse. Once a public key is exposed, it's a target. Follow quantum-safe developments. Bitcoin devs are already working on upgrades. Stay educated. Don't wait for a headline to learn what's coming, because when this shift happens, it'll happen fast. Bitcoin could collapse overnight, not because of its price, but because of its vulnerability. This is a war between innovation and evolution always wins. Will Bitcoin adapt? Yes. If enough people understand the risk, will you be one of them? That's your choice. What do you think? Could Bitcoin really be hacked by quantum computers? Or is it just hype? Subscribe now if you want to stay ahead. Because in crypto, timing isn't just everything, it's survival.